Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to record game audio only in OBS Studio. So, let's dive right in. First things first. Open up OBS Studio on your PC. Once you are in, now, head over to the Sources dock. We're going to create a new source. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, from the menu, select Application Audio Capture, (ETA), from the list. It will be first option. When you click on it, a new window pops up. Name the source after the game you're playing. This helps keep things organized, especially if you plan on recording different games in the future. After naming it, click on the OK. When you click on the OK, a new window pops up. Now, expand the window menu by clicking on this arrow, and then choose the game that you want to capture audio from. Remember, your game needs to be open for it to appear in this list. Once you've selected your game, click on the OK to confirm. Unfortunately, you will need to set up a new source for each game you play if you plan on recording different games. It might be a bit tedious, but it's a one-time setup for each game. Next, we need to make sure only the game audio is being recorded. Go to the audio mixer dock and mute every audio device you don't want to be heard. This includes desktop audio and your microphone. To mute a device, simply click the speaker icon next to it. Once you have done, now, click the three dots next to one of the devices in the audio mixer. When you click on the three dots, then drop-down menu will appear. Now, in the menu, select Advanced Audio Properties. It will be last option. When you click on it, a new window will pop up. In this window, set your game so that it is on track 1. This ensures that only the game audio is heard in your recording. Once done, close this window. Alright, the next step is to configure the recording settings in OBS. Open the OBS settings by clicking Settings in the bottom right corner. Then, select Output from the side menu. Now, go to the Recording section and find the Audio Track option. Check the box next to 1 and uncheck all the other boxes. This setting tells OBS to only record the audio enabled on track 1, which is our game audio capture. After that, click on the Apply, and then click on the OK to save these settings. Before we wrap up, make sure to add your gameplay to the scene using either a game capture or display capture source. This way, you'll have both the video and the audio from your game in the recording. To do this, click the plus icon in the Sources dock, then choose either game capture or display capture. Select your game and click OK. And that's it. You're all set to record only game audio in OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.